Good morning and welcome to another beautiful day in the countryside. It's like 5:30 in the morning and my car kind of broke. And like and just for fixing it and preparing it for other thing. I'm looking for another one. So in the meantime, until trying to rent a car, I have to come walking, which is almost 1 hour walking from home, or 50 minutes. So I'm pretty tired. But yeah, look at this. It's so beautiful, right? Yeah. Really grew up. Yeah, in the middle there is some spots that it's not so grown. But yeah, there it's really nice. And here too. It's really uneven, you know. If you see this guy, it's all the same size. You see mine looks like a roller coaster. But for being the first time, it's really nice. I really have to clean this. So I came to close the water, and just that. I took some ume the other day from the tree, and I'm making umeboshi, which is like a pickled plum. I will try to show you the jars later. Yeah, sure. The kabocha is around there somewhere. I need to cut all this. I'm pretty sure there will be a snake here. See? Yeah. So beautiful. Okay. See you in the evening. Ooh, what a beautiful day. Bye bye.